Let's talk about some of the herbs that you can use to combine with pomegranate peels to create a wonderful infusion. Now, it depends on what you want to get out of in terms of the benefits of the infusion or of the tea. It depends what herbs you're going to use, but I'm going to talk about the top herbs that work beautifully with pomegranate peels to create a wonderful synergetic blend that offers many health benefits. Now, if you want to really create a good calming tea, it's important for you to focus on using lemon verbena, which is the lemon balm, as well as lavender and chamomile with your pomegranate peels. And what that really does is it creates a flavorful and aromatic herbal infusion that will help to uplift your mood, and it promotes relaxation as well. And the chamomile's role here is to create a soothing and aromatic infusion that will help to improve sleep quality. We also have another wonderful blend that's more for helping with energy levels and helping with focus, and I'm going to give you a blend of pomegranate peels and rosemary. This works amazing as well. So what rosemary does here, it is going to help you to create a savory and herbaceous infusion that can really help with cognitive function and improve a mental clarity. We also have a cleansing infusion that can be a combination of mint, pomegranate peel, and ginger. Mint here helps to create a delicious and really energizing drink that can help to support digestion and promote well-being. And ginger will be very cleansing. Along with pomegranate peels, it will create a soothing tea that also supports digestion, but at the same time helps to relieve nausea as well. Now, if you're looking for a more skin glow tea, then combining the pomegranate peels along with hibiscus would be amazing for that purpose, because hibiscus will add a vibrant color, a tangy flavor, and it will also create a delicious herbal infusion that is rich with antioxidants and also supports heart health and will give you the skin glow that you need, of course, with consistent use. If you're looking for a tea that will help you to detoxify and cleanse your body, then I would combine pomegranate peel along with cinnamon and ginger. The ginger really works beautifully and complements the tartness of the pomegranate peels because it adds warmth and it adds sweetness, and it also creates a comforting tea that supports blood sugar control and promotes general circulation. While the ginger, on the other hand, will be very detoxifying. It will help with digestion. It will help with cleansing the body as well. These are the most favorite blends I personally tried, and I really loved the Skin Glow blend, which is hibiscus and pomegranates. Highly recommend you try that one. Let me know if you've used pomegranate peels before and what have you used them for. I'll see you in the next video.